Our life anywhere on Earth, in deserts, rural areas, and in our beautiful cities, including the great transformation from uninhabited landscape to magnificent cities around the world, all depends on three main drivers. These drivers are the basis of our life on planet Earth. The first driver is the energy from the sun that transform our land to living green environment through the driver number two, which is water, also existing in our aquatic systems that through reaction with atmospheric carbon dioxide and photosynthesis produce magnificent biodiversity and provide us with food. The third driver, in addition to energy and water, is the enormous natural resources, including, of course, biodiversity, uh, enormous natural resources of fossil deposits and minerals that fuel our household and industrial needs and thereby support our global economies. Our renewable life on Earth is fading away as consequence of the malfunctioning of the three main drivers, water, energy, and natural resources, that are feeding on each other for their production, processing, distribution, and use. The ever-increasing speed of unsustainable extraction and consumption created an unprecedented acceleration in scarcity and demand of life drivers by being the motor of our agriculture, industrial, and urbanization sectors. The ongoing multi-layered interactions within and between water, energy, and natural resources triggered wicked webs of negative and irreversible impacts in the biosphere and its underlying supporting spheres of the Earth's system, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, lithosphere, and the cryosphere. These existential spheres for life have undergone severe degradation in ecosystem services and the quality of our natural environment as evident in water insecurities, climate threats, air, water and ecological pollution, decline in biodiversity, and irresponsible use of the minerals and materials in the lithosphere. The footprint of human trash is apparent and felt everywhere, all over the planet, with huge loss in both the abundance and diversity of animals and plants. Another example is the expansion of animal farming and dairy production on the expense of arable land and the enormous emission of air and water pollution as well as the excessive freshwater withdrawal. The Earth is a living organism that lost its natural function symmetry what concerns material consumption versus conservation and protection of the wealth and health of life. Air pollution has direct negative effects on health and indirect threats on all life forms through cycling, transport, atmospheric reactions, and opposition on land and on water resources. Aquatic ecosystems are facing diverse hazards because of acidification and eutrophication, in addition to increasing severity due to environment and climate change. The technosphere and associated human activities has directed planet Earth towards a new era, the Anthropocene, where the overall human-made mass of materials and products are currently surpassing the global biomass of renewables. Thank you for your kind attention. Thank you. We see you.